our class because we have like 1 hours only. So please be prepared also. I'm going to teach you. Maybe there is a question, then I can ask you what is the answer. Because I already asked you to read, right? That is very simple because you can see the slide is only 34. Okay. You already know, and this is repeat things, which is recap. You have note and O as your basic gates. So very simple thing, very easy for you to remember. And from this is why I don't want to. Anyone, can you help me like Google how to like automatically accept people to join the Google Meet?
After later, I send you an extension.
Extension. Hey, but I
Yeah.
try over here. There is a setting you can see. Host control. I already click this one. Which
Oh no, this one is mean.
hmm?
If you close it, you need to accept all whether it's using UTM account or not.
Okay, then
Later on, I try to send you an extension because before this I
but I
use
need
it.
to install an extension.
Yeah,
Oh, add on.
Google Chrome, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that I send you.
Ayo. This one is very headache. And every time I need to like uh close my full screen. Okay, so we have three basic gates, Node, and O. So this is basic gate. From this basic gate, we can also get the combinations of others gate, which is NAND and O. NAND O is combination of and not get, while for Node is a not O and not get. Exclusive or exclusive no also a combination between AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate for a exclusive OR. You're going to have I guess two OR, I forgot. Later on we will check. And then we have NOT gate and also and get. So you can see this one combination only two gates for our basic, but for exclusive. I don't want to make it full screen yet. I give until 5 minutes. Okay, so over here you can see for exclusive O and exclusive no, it is combinations of two also. No, this one is combination of two and O, but this two is combination of not and O. So all notes is inside. But for this one, it's combination of two only from basic gate. Two combinations of basic gate. So let's take a look what you need to know. This one we already take a look, which is our note. The very basic because you only have one input and one output. The rest of others gate, you can have more than one input. But of course, all together, we will only have one output. All gates will be only get one output only. So you can see for NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate is a basic gates that you have. NAND gate, NOR gate is a universal gate of using two basic gate. While for exclusive or exclusive no, I think this is like this. And exclusive or and exclusive no, you have the combinations of all basic gate. So let's take a look. What else? Okay, it's already 5 minutes. Okay, for not, it is like inverter. It's very easy. Whatever input you have, you're going to toggle. You're going to toggle or inverse. This is a normal symbols that we will use. No need for me to repeat again and again because we already looked several times. This one also we already touched a little bit. And you're going to see you have operator. Okay, there is 6 things you need to know. Characteristic, symbols, operation, Boolean expression, truth table, and timing diagram. So this one is characteristic, symbol, and then you have operation, which is over bar for a not. And you can see this is a symbol and this is what your output. I record the class, right?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now we can see this is very important. Please remember this now because you're going to apply with your Boolean expression. Boolean expression is not an easy thing because there is a lot of rules. There is a lot of rules you need to memorize. All these rules, if let's say you did not memorize one rules, also sometimes you cannot simplify. You cannot simplify your Boolean equation. So, of course, you cannot get the answer. So, truth table, it is like a toggle. This one your input, this one is your output. You have 0 equal to 1, a toggle to 1 for the output. Input 1, you get a 0 for the output. And the timing diagram also will be a toggle 1. If you have 1, your output will be 0. If you have 0, your output will be 1. It's very easy. Now we go to our AND gate. As mentioned, you cannot have one input for AND gate. One input um only for your NOT. But you can also have the possibility like this. Although you have like 2 input, right? But you can have like the possibility to have like this. Later you will learn there is something over here. What is the gate? What the meaning by this? You have A, you have B, but there is one source. So let's say this is 1, then you have A for 1, B for 1. But of course, you need to have 2 at least. Later, you will see what type of gates like this one. As mentioned in your module 1, at least for AND gate and OR gate, you need to have 2 input. But you have like a multiple after this, which is infinity input for your AND gate. Now you can see you need to remember the characteristic. The easiest characteristic is all input 1. Then you get the output equal to 1. The rest will be get as a 0. That is a very easy. But of course, maybe mine it's not similar with you how you're going to like memorize your characteristic for AND gate. It's depend on you also, right? So for mine, I okay with the sentences. All input 1, then I will get the output 1. And this is the symbol, normal symbol that we always use. Okay, next we have operation. As discussed last time, AND gate is also similar to multiplication. Multiplication progress for arithmetic. And multiplication, we will always normally use the dot as a representation. That's why like 0 multiply with 0, you will get 0, 0 multiply with 1, 0, and etc. I hope that you still remember. This is on the operation, and how the logic operation look like is going to be like A dot B. And again, I already mentioned to you, this is also equivalent to AB. In exam, in your test, we will use this part. We will not use A dot B because it's going to be like messing up if let's say we have 4 inputs or maybe 5 input. Let's say x equal to A dot B dot C dot D dot E. So it's not like very beautiful characters here. Instead, we will just use A, B, C, D, E plus A, B plus A bar C. So it's easier for us rather than you have A dot B plus A bar dot C. So that's why please make sure you know A B is equal to A dot B, which is using your AND gate. What else you're going to see is your truth table, is your timing diagram. For truth table, I will always look here, which is if let's say my input is 1, 1, my output will be 1. So the rest will be 0. That's why I can see my input here 1, 1, I will get 1. 1, 1, I will get 1. The rest I am going to put it as 0. Is it okay? So, this part also I already teach last class, but let's take a look. Let's say you have developed truth table for 3 input and get. This one is your answer. It's easy for you. Determine the total number of possibility if you have 4 input. Also, I already mentioned to the power of 4 equal to 16. From 0 to 15 or 0000 until 1111. So next, is it okay for AND gate? Next, you can see we have OR gate. OR gate also similar to addition. Mathematicals is like similar things. This is the characteristics of our OR gate. In this OR gate, I always like thinking whenever I have one, whenever I have input one for my, whenever I have one for my any input, I will also get one for my output. If only I have 00, then my answer will be low. So it's depend on you which part that easy for you to memorize. And this is our symbols. You have also take a look in your module 1. And on the operation, you can see it is a positive or addition. That's why your logic expression will be like uh, x equal to a plus b. A is your input, b is your input. Wait, I want to slow down my icon. Okay. It's very cool here. Next, you're going to have what? True table. Going to have true table. As I mentioned, if you have at least one input for one, then you will get the output as one. So you have zero, zero, you will get zero. The rest will be one because you have at least one for your input. And here is your timing diagram. Let me show you how basically that I am doing. For my input, you can see, let me like separating it, but I think everything already. Okay. I have 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So I just I just pick this part. 0, 0. Okay, this one will be 0. 0, 0. This one will be 0. This one will be 0. This one will be 0. The rest I will put as 1. So this is how I basically draw the timing diagram, especially for the output. I just pick the easiest part. Salah kah?
Doctor,
Yes.
they have one wrong at the
Uh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 5
1, 2,
input.
3, 4, 5. 0,
Yeah,
0.
0, 0.
Here. Oh, there is another 0, 0.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wait, I didn't see this, so I put it as 0. Thank you for correcting me. So you can see, I always like finding the easier solution. For O get, I'm going to pick, okay, for this one, only one case. So I will like putting 0 first. Then the rest will be 1. I know already. But if let's say this one, I just assume, okay, this, let's say we have another example. We have AND gate over here. And what is our output? So for our AND gate, we're going to have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So I'm not going to look into these three things. I will only look at 1, 1, 1. Why I delete this? 1, 1. 1. Oh, there is no 1, 1. So my answer will be all negative. Not negative, 0. No 1, 1, right? Okay. Let's say I have like this for my input B. For my input B, let's say I have, okay. So I have over here 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So I will get 1, and this one is 1. The rest I will put as 0. Oh, oops. So it's easy for me and it's fasten my work. Is it okay? So I hope that you can understand also. But not for you like to follow me directly, whatever I did. Sometimes I also like did wrong, or maybe you not familiar with my technique. You can always like check it one by one because mine is faster. But for you, I guess it's better for you to be slow and steady. It's more safe. You need to like check. Okay, this part is what? 0, 0. So where is 0, 0? Or 0, 0 is 0. And then this one is 1, 0. 1, 0 is what? 1, 0 is 1. And then you have 1, 0 again. It's 1. We have 0, 0. 0, 0 is 0. 0, 0 is 1. 1, 1 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 is 1 Correct, right? And then you have also over here 0, 1. 0, 1 is 1. So it's better for you to draw it one by one. Compared to my things, I will like directly because there is no worry for me. I don't get any answer, or if let's say I like lose one thing also, it doesn't matter because I'm not the one who take the test. But for you, if you want to do this fasten, please make sure you check back your answer several times rather than you like okay, one time I already get the output, then okay for me. Okay, so next we going to look into our, okay, that is a self test. You can like screenshot and try to do it. This one is like a very simple question. Next, this is the combination part, which is you have NAND get. NAND get, again, as mentioned, we have the combinations of copy. I would like to order the soft copy, huh? Again, some of you just want to like buy the ebooks. So whenever I place the order, I begin score like, why a student just want to buy? It's like already test one. It's last time. Tomorrow it has them. Why just now you want to buy the ebooks? But it's okay. I will try to ask the PIC. For NAND gate, we have NOT and also AND gate. So this is how basically the representation combination for the NAND gate. So please make sure don't pick a wrong. I don't know how to draw if let's say you want to combine. Maybe you combine like this. A, B, for and get. Maybe I don't know, but the true things for you to do for the NAND get is and first, after that followed by your not get. And what is happen is it is a toggle or it is a converter for the AND get. So what normally you have for AND get? You have 00, 01, 10, 11. This your AND get output. Your AND get 00, 01. Only true when you have all input is 1. So when you toggle, when you have the converter which is from not, you're going to convert everything. Toggle the answer 0 to be 1, 0 to be 1, 0 to be 1, 1 to be 0. This is your NAND. Because your NAND is your input, your output and you have bar. So let's take a look into the NAND value. So I am very lazy one, which is when I have three basics gates. I remember the nodes, I remember the N, I remember the O only. When I want to get the NAND is, I know it is inverter from AND gate. That's why I convert the table from AND gate. When I want to get the no, I convert the O gate. But it's better for you to memorize directly. But for me, I want to like check directly from the basic gate. Okay, this is the truth table. This is the operator, which is going to have bar. And this is the logic expression. As mentioned again, it is not equal to A, B, A bar, B bar. It is direct, which is it is equivalent to A, B bar. This is the true table for you. You can see this is AND gate. And you toggle, You inverse using the and get, not get, going to get a b bar or the and get nan get. You will get the inverse value. And how about your timing diagram? You can see everything is like a toggle from your and get. You can try to fill in the value. Okay, now you have three input. This is the exercise. Basically, it's very easy. Okay, you have, let me like putting first the value 1, 1, 0, 0. Before I have this, I have another break over here, and then 0, 1, 1, 0 until this part. Before you're going to know where is basically your changes, of course, you're going to divide it to all the changes. And you have over here, it's 0, 1. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oops. Here you will have 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So there is a three input. You are using the NAND gate. So let me go through one by one. For AND gate, I'm going to have 0, 0, 0. I'm going to get 1, 1, 1, 4, 1. If I convert it, I'm going to get 1, 1, 1 to be 0. The rest will be 1, isn't it? So that is the only thing that makes difference between AND and NAND. So I'm going to pick this part, which is all 1. I will use it as a 0. So I have this 1, 1, 1, 1, and over here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. The rest no. So I put 1 and 1, and the rest will be 0. So this is my answer. You can check basically one by one. 1, 1, 0, you will get 0. 0, 1, 1, you will get 0. 0, 0, 1, you will get 0. 1, 0, 1, you will get 0. And the rest. So all will be 0 except the 1, 1, 1. Terbalik eh.
Apa
Terbalik,
terbalik already?
Doctor.
Terbalik. It's terbalik lah. Aduh. So only this part is 0. The rest will be 1. See? I asyik salah je. So this one will be 1. If you cannot like see basically what is the value, you need to add every single changes for the input. You can see B change at this part, A change at this part. So you need to have different input value. That's why you need to like putting all dot 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 dot. Okay, so this is our output. I put here is correct, 0. But when I draw, it's different. Aiyo. Okay, now we have no gate. For AND gate, is there any question before we can go to no gate?
No, doctor.
Okay, then we're going to proceed to our no get. So no get, we know it is basically the converter, an inverse for our O get. Where is it? Okay, it is inverter for our O get. If for your O get you have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, you will only get 1 for 0, 0. The rest, 0. You're going to get 0 only if your both input or all input is 0. But if at least you have 1, all your answer will be 1. This is O get. But for no, it will inverse, right? So you will get 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is the inverse version, which is for your no. And this is how basically look like. As I mentioned, similar to NAND get, your NOT get will be in front, and this is your O get. And what is basically the operation look like? So you're going to have plus and bar over here, or the operation supposedly it shows here. Where is it? It's not showing here. I forgot where I put. Okay, so you have a 0, 0 equal to 0, but it is put bar everything, which is you going to bar your O get. Similar, right? You only get 0 for your O get, and for no, you're going to inverse. That's why you will get this like true table here. This is your logical expression. You have A plus B, and then you're going to bar everything. Again, it is not similar to A bar plus B bar. Now we take a look into the timing diagram. This part is very easy. You can try 1, 1, you get 0. Okay. You're going to get only 1 for 0, 0, right? See? You will get 1 if you have the condition of 0, 0. The rest you will get 0. That's why it's easy for you. You find 0, 0, you put 1, 0, 0, you put 1. The rest will be 0, 0, and then you connect them together. This is for your no get, which is combination O and also not. Later you can see that you will also have, okay, there is exercise, similar things basically what we have on our NAND get just now, but here is our no get. Our no get, we will get our 1, 1 to, 0, 0 to be 0, right? 0, 0 to be 1. Sorry, okay, 0, 0, you will get 1. 0, 0, you will get 1. The rest will be 0. So let's take a look. This one is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Is it correct? I fill it. And where is my 0, 0, 0? I only have here and here. The rest, I will get 0. Am I correct?
Yes, doctor. Yes.
Yes,
So,
doctor.
so this is So this is the output for mine. Let's say I change it to be NAND get. But I guess for my NAND get, I forgot. Maybe I will get all negative. Let's see. For my NAND get, for AND get, I have 1, 1, 1. I will get 1. So if I convert it to be NAND, 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. So let's take a look again. Why I delete just now? 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, I'm going to pick 1, 1, 1, 1. Here, at this part, is going to be 0. And the rest will be 1. So this is if let's say I apply the NAND get. Is it correct or not? So you can like play around also with the signal input and check your output. Play around with the signal because in your upcoming test 2, there is a lot of timing diagram questions. What else? Of course, your Boolean expression also will be asked a lot. So any question before we going to go for our exclusive gates? Okay, right. So let's take a look over here. We're going to see that we have XO. As mentioned, XO is combination of your NOT get, AND get, and also OR get. You need to have all combine of all AND, O, and also your NOT get or inverter. You will only have 2 input. So it is not similar to your NAND get, AND get, OR get, NO get, which is you can also have multiple input. But for XO, you have only 2 inputs. Similar to later on you see your exclusive NO. So you're going to have 2 inputs only. And what else? If both input are same level, your output will be low. So only different. If both inputs are opposite, then you will get 1. At least like if let's say you have 0, 1 or 1, 0, you will get 1. The rest will be 0. So this is a truth table for your XO. And how the symbol, this is the symbol for the XO. You have the O and there is another curve over here. So that is the only difference between O and XO. Okay, what about the symbol? So this is the symbol for the XO solution. And what is the meaning by this one? It is meaning of A bar, B plus. Okay, how you get this? This is your X. This is your XO. XO. If later on you have oops. Okay, this one is X no. So you need to remember what is the basic gate for your XO, how it's going to be like connected together. So it is 2 NOT, 2 and get, and 1 or get. How you going to do? You're going to have a connection for A direct here. This is A. And from this, our A will go through to our node. And this will be A bar. Second is B. B will be direct here. This is B. And then it will be linked to the node. And we will be bar. For AND gate, what we will do? Dot, which is multiple B bar. And here A bar dot B. So for no get or get, we will add this at here. That's why you will get A B bar plus A bar B for your X all. Let's take a look into the truth table, which is, I remember if let's say it is different, I have the 1. The rest will be 0. Let's say over here, I'm going to pick 0, 1 or 1, 0 only. 0, 1 is 1. 1, 0 is 1. The rest is similar. So I have like this output. Because I only have the different value at this point and at this point, which is T1 and then T3. The rest is similar. If similar, it's going to be get the output of 0. Next, this one you can try the value using the dit simulator also can. And now we directly go to our XNO. For our XNO, what we can see that we have only 2 input also, as mentioned in previous slide. This is similar, only 2 input. What is the difference? X or bar, which is you have another NOT gate. So it's called as XNO. So it is a opposite or also toggle value from your XNO. If toggle, I don't want to like reading or read all of this. You have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. This is for your XO. For your XNO, it's going to be toggle everything. It will be 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is the characteristic of XNO for also the timing diagram. And the symbol slightly different only when you have a bubble in front. For your X, or you have like this, like a fish, I think so. But for your X, no, you're going to have bubble in front. Next, you're going to have the symbol, So this is the symbol. And what is basically the meanings by this symbol? Later on, you're going to learn on the rules, as I mentioned, right? Rules of Boolean. So you will like simplify all the value Boolean expression here to be the very simple version. But we will take a look into our Boolean expression later for our next topic. I guess chapter 4. So for now, please like memorize first the expression, the Boolean expression. Later, we will like go through by one how we're going to get the simplified version. So as mentioned, you have the XO. Your XNO will be only adding another NOT. So this is your total X no. And what is the differentiation? You're going to have X A B bar plus A bar B for XO. And this is your for X now. So it is a complementations of your XO. Let's take a look into the example here. Second implementation, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you put here and you're going to have this equation. If let's say you have a similar, then you will get 1. So this one is similar. This one is similar. This one is similar. So I put 1, 1, 1. The rest will be 0, 0. So this is how I draw the true timing diagram. You can try to play around with the value and see the output value. And there is exercise. As I mentioned, I want someone, but this one is very simple. I'm going to give you a different question. Okay, for this part, we have XO and XNO. XO, as mentioned, I'm going to look into 0, 1 and 1, 0 to get output of 1. So let we take a look into, you have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, now I want to find the different only. Okay, this one is 1, 1, 1. The rest will be 0, 0, 0. So this is my output for XO. Of course, my XNO will be toggle. So here will be 0, 0, 0, and then this 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is the output for my XO and my XNO. This part, oh, this part is also different. So you can see. You get this part because this part is also different. You will get 0, 1 equal to 1. Now you are in the last slide, which is all the summarization. You can go through all the summarizations, characteristic, symbols, operation, Boolean expression to table, and timing diagram. Any question until here?
Doctor, what if we have like
Huh?
3 inputs or 5 inputs on the XOR gate?
If you have
3 inputs.
3 input, as mentioned already, here you cannot have more than 2. It's only for the
Okay.
XO and also XNO. Okay, so it's like slightly different as I mentioned. If you go for N, O, NAN, and NO, you can have multiply inputs. But for XO and XNO, you only have 2 inputs. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Others? Is there any other question? If no, I'm going to give you a question. I'm going to draw my circuit, okay? Let me open my pen. Why it is not bigger? Okay. I have I want all of you to do it. Very ugly. Ayo. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Why I didn't use my pen? Can you see? This is N. This is O. This is O. So what is my output? Shad Daniel. Daniel. Shad Daniel. What is my F?
Should I draw it?
Yes.
Uh,
For copy first.
okay, okay, miss. 1 second, 1 second.
Okay.
Can I use Jamboard to copy the question?
Yeah, sure. Oh, why I
Okay.
don't draw in the Jamboard? Huh, it's much easier for all of you to answer, right?
Yeah. Now I have to copy all the question.
And save the link.
Okay, 1 second, miss. I will draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Miss, can you see? Can you see the drawing in
You
Jamboard?
already finished or not? I need to stop the sharing.
Oh, okay, okay. No, no, no. I didn't share. I didn't finish. I'm just making sure that if you can see the drawing or not.
Where's the link? You copy. Okay. Wait, I open. Cannot request access.
How do I give access to you?
I don't know. Your link is denied for me to access. This one is site. Then your what? See, you cannot access.
1 second.
Maybe
Let
you
me
need
figure out.
to open the access for everyone.
Yeah, yeah. I'm changing. I'm changing setting. I think it's better I share my. But if I share my, okay, I will share my screen.
Okay, can you share?
Yes. But miss, I need to see the question. I just drew the first point. Okay.
Wait, I reshare again.
You just keep sharing your screen so that I can see. Yes. I can't see the question, miss.
Huh? You cannot see the
Oh
question?
my god. No, I cannot see the question.
I already share my screen. Everyone can see my screen or not?
Yeah, can,
I
doctor.
can. Everyone can see the screen.
Oh, I can see Sayed's screen only. Only.
Yeah, yeah. I cannot see your
Maybe
screen.
maybe first copy the question, then share your screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better. I think. Wait. Stop. Yeah. Okay. Now. Still. Yeah. Now I can see. So that's okay.
You done?
No, no, miss. I'm on the last part. 1 second, miss.
Okay.
Okay, miss. I'm done.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
I'm sharing my screen. Oh my God! I forgot to draw the. Yeah. One miss. Can you please share again? I forgot to draw the circuit. So sorry. I don't know how to.
Okay, okay. Don't nervous. Don't nervous, okay? Wait, you need to unshare first. Then you can see mine.
Okay, 1 second, miss. I will unshare. Miss, is there a way to make this whiteboard bigger, like so that I have more space?
Huh? What do you mean?
Wait, 1 second. Let me share my screen. Uh, this thing with like I ran out of space. Like I don't have space to make the circuit and the other one because I'm using mouse. So I don't know how to. Like, is there a way that I can add more space,
Maybe
like make it big?
you can screenshot my circuit. You screenshot and then you just paste the picture into your Jamboard. It's much better, I guess so. No need for you
Okay,
like
let me try. Let me try it.
it's
Miss.
Okay, you just screenshot mine and then you just copy paste and put it into your Jamboard. So others, please be patient for a while. Wait, friend. Done screenshot?
Yeah, miss, I'm done. I screenshot. Okay, miss, can I ask one question?
Okay, yeah.
Like, is this like circuit? It's not like a general circuit, like XNOR or like AND gate or something. Like it's just a circuit, right? Like for
This is
example, like we learned. Yeah,
this is
yeah,
combination circuit.
yeah. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
No. Oh my God. Okay, now how I can edit this? Oh my. How can I edit this?
Uh, thi-
Oh,
you can just draw it below.
here. Okay, okay, okay. So here the input is 0. Should I explain it while I'm doing it?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's very small, but okay, I will try. So this is AND gate. The ones the A input. Here it is what? Okay, first let me just break it down. Just 1 second. 1, 2, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so the first part it means how I will write it. It's one. It's oh my God,
It's too
0.
small.
I
You
can,
can you cannot make
okay,
it
It's
so
so
bigger.
small we can't even read it.
I can't even do it. Okay, so dot is 0. Okay, so dot is 0. Then here it's 1. Oh my God, it's 1 here. 0. Oh my God, it's 0. Then it's 1. Then it's 0, 1, 0.
After this, you get you have class, everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, doctor.
Oh, we
Already
have.
started, doctor.
Or some of you got class. For those who got class, you can leave.
Okay,
We all
thank you.
got class, I think.
You got class also.
Yeah, yeah. I think we all have Malaysian ethics and civilization class.
Oh,
Yeah, almost all of us.
okay. It's okay. Later on, you need to explain tomorrow class. Can or not? It's better, like a
Inshallah.
better view. Okay. So
Okay, okay.
I think only that for today. For those who still not yet scan the QR code, please do so. For the rest, you can leave and stay safe. Goodbye. Meet you again tomorrow.
Thank you,
Thank you,
doctor.
doctor. Thank you,
Okay.
doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you,
Thank you,
doctor.
doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you,
Tamatkan
doctor.
ni.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
Oh
Doctor,
my
I
god.
Yes.
doctor,
Yes.
I have a
Thank
question.
you, doctor.
You
Yeah.
see
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
way
Yeah.
he screenshotted or not?
Yeah, what the?
Why screenshot like that? You need to full screen and then screenshot,
My
right?
question is, doctor.
You complaining. Wait. 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 That is your friend still complaining. Think-
Uh,
Okay. Hmm.
uh, my question, doctor, for the lab, right, doctor? For
Hmm.
the for the
Right.
what?
One.
For the PDF that we need to submit, the one
Hmm.
PDF and one video, right?
No. No. No.
For
No.
the
No. Okay. Okay. One video, one PDF.
yeah.
Okay.
For the PDF is the part A until part D, right?
Yes.
For that PDF, my PDF editor did not let me to save it as a file. It only lets me to save it in Google Drive.
Eh.
So I
You.
give you just the link. Is it okay?
No, 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 no. I don't want.
So you want the
Okay.
PDF itself?
Wait. I show you where you can edit your PDF.
Because I tried editing it like through
PDF.
words, but the problem is it didn't let me to save with the answer that I edited. It only lets me to save a zero what empty
I
PDF.
normally use this one, smallpdf.com. Sorry. This one is JPEG. Sorry. PDF editor, but similar things. PDF editor. I use the small PDF. Normally I can edit it any type of. This one, Adobe Acrobat, I don't have. So using the small PDF.com, you can like edit your PDF using this
Or
site
or
link.
you using this lah, because usually I just drag any PDF into words and I just
No,
save it as a file. But the problem is
you use
sometimes it
this. This
doesn't let
is free. You can edit and then you can download PDF.
Okay. Should I change back everything into here, because I just submitted it to you a link to my Google Drive for that one. But I open it for anyone to see lah.
Okay, later
Should I?
on, if I cannot, like maybe it's hard for me, I will direct contact you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.
Bye bye,
So,
Doctor. Thank you.
okay. Bye bye.
Doctor,
Yes.
inside the comment section, you can see a link, which is the extension that before I used.
Add to Chrome.
Yeah.
Okay. Auto admit the Google Meet has added to Chrome. Then, okay
Then
Okay.
you try click it, then it say at the right bottom side got one hand finger.
Wait. Let me share my screen. I see like this. After I click your link,
Sam.
I see that.
Because before this is very easy, but just now I install,
Huh?
changed already.
But can it work or not? Because I can see that it is like where is it? It's already in my Google Chrome, right?
Maybe Doctor rejoin the meeting.
Me
Yeah.
And then, but I guess for those who already joined, if you want to join again, uh, I think there is no like I need to accept something like this. Maybe I don't know. So
If
tomorrow
using
tomorrow class we will try.
okay.
Okay, thank you
Thank you,
for sharing this
Doctor.
name. Okay. So the rest, Muhammad Azim is my space student.
Doctor, so I wanted to ask about my test. Like, 5 of my answers didn't even get saved. And for part A, some of the answers, like, it's saved as the ones I chose, like,
Okay.
so, like,
For this, I
think,
can see also there is several student like complaining this one, but how do I can like defend you or justify that you like maybe because I need to justify to other lecturers lah, right? To check because whatever saved in the e-learning is the latest one. If you said you already put your answer or you key in your answer, but it is not like saved, how to justify? Because there is no
Doctor, like,
evidence.
I don't care about the part A. Like, part A, I did bad. I only would have gotten like half marks more. But
Okay.
like part B, it's 5 marks. Like I'm missing 5 answers for part B. And okay, Doctor, I think I've already told you the ASCII table. I didn't really understand how it worked, so like I randomly chose the answers based on my calculations. But now all of them somehow was correct. But none of the answers I chose were actually saved. So I don't know why.
Okay, for the ASCII one, I already I think section 09 asked me this morning. So I already explained to them. But later I'm going to compile all your question, which is not only from you. There is others question from others question also. I will compile all together similar to different section. Mostly you going all the student asking similar question, so I
Okay.
compile all together after approved by like lecturer. We like justify, okay, this is wrong or error from the question, or maybe there is something else, then I can discuss with all of you. But for your
Okay.
problem, I will try to slot out with the PIC, which is the one that did the question, Dr. Shahida. I will try to ask her about this. If let's say there is other student also similar case with you, which is it didn't save the answer, right?
Yeah, doctor.
Yeah. So if let's say there is other student complaint, maybe we will like having the discussion later on this matter.
Like, doctor, if someone, like, if you gave me a question
Mhm.
and I would answer it, I mean, I'm confident enough to, like, I'm sure I would answer it correctly. Like, if that's a way to defend myself.
Yeah, but of course, like if you bring to the court also, people want to see the evidence. It's not like
Yeah,
public
doctor.
talk only, right? So that's why. But it's okay. I will like talk to Dr. Shahida later on if let's say there is a problem from other student. Maybe I will also bring to the all other lecturer because I guess most of the student asking about the question like the error one, but I think only you are the one that WhatsApp me, you save already, and then suddenly when you check back the answer, it is not safe, right?
Yeah, doctor, like,
Mm.
when I was saving it even told me I did the
Mm.
answers. But
Oh.
then after 1 hour, when the results came out, all the answers were missing. Like, for the ASCII table, only one answer was saved. The other five are missing.
I am afraid that it is affected also because of that is a lecture like changing the question last minute, but I forgot which question.
Hmm.
Uh, so maybe we will check on that, or maybe we'll also see your log in the e-learning later on.
Okay, doctor. Like, I submitted it 1 minute early. Like, the second part,
Hmm?
I submitted it 1 minute early. But for some reason, the five answers for the ASCII table, they're just gone. Like, I don't even know how. When I submitted, right? When I
Uh-huh.
submitted, it told me like an internal error for like two
Huh.
seconds,
Oh,
and
there is
then
an
it,
error before you submit.
yeah, before I submitted, it told me there's an error, and then it just like told me I can't attempt anymore, and
Hmm?
I got redirected back to the dashboard of the course.